Hey everybody, this is Goose7732 or Zachary Willard. I'm here with a package from Incredimike. He sent me some of these stickers. Pretty cool. He sent me two different challenge locks. The keys are shrink wrap, close. One has a stamp B on it, and then it has a stamp on the back, DBC, and the tag says DBC Brassy, so I'm guessing that's the name of the tag. It looks like there's a numerical number MMXX11 on the back. It's a nice tag, it's pretty cool. I might have to think about that. So this is one of them. Here's the other one. Also key shrink wrapped, and then this one has an A stamped on the front. Looks like Schleg. Has DBC on the back. Anything else stamped on there? The tag says Brimmer or Grimmer, and then it also has an MXX11. And then nothing on the back of the tag. So those are the two challenge locks Incredimike sent me. But then he also sent me two other locks. He sent me a Schleg Everest kick cylinder with key. And that's over in this guy. I put it in my deadbolt so that I could practice it in my stand. It's very nice. And then he also sent me this guy. This is a Euros half cut, looks like, cylinder. It's an interactive, and I have checked, I think, two of the pins, and they're serrated drivers, so I believe this is a brown belt lock. So this is gonna be one of my brown belt locks when I finish my purple here, hopefully in the next week or so. But those two locks he sent to me, and hopefully I'll be able to do a few things for his picks or some other stuff down the line. But I really like these locks a lot. So let's see if we can pick one of these challenge locks. Let's go with the kick cylinder. Might as well. All right. Yeah, that's pretty close. Let's try with the monkey paw. All right. Springy on one. Springy up. Stops. Springy up. No. That was 3, I think. It's got some kind of like teardrop shape to it because it keeps dropping. I think that was 4. Let's go back to 1, 2. I didn't get anything on that one. It's pretty crunchy. I guess in that barrel, that one might be threaded. Let's try number 1. Number 2. too. So we're gonna try the other direction. Alright, so I'm not getting much. Hey everybody, this is Goose7732 or Zachary Willard. I'm here today with the other half of an unboxing for this video. Some of you might know this symbol or icon or sticker from the Discord servers. Got a hold of him. He's PeaceWeapon has sent me some locks that I ordered from him. And that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna open this video. I think we got some more stickers in here. Yep. Looks like we've got the whole little gambit now since I took the sticker off the box. We got a large, medium, and small. Let's see what we got here. This is the keys. Let's pull the keys out. Got two keys here. I've got a multi-lock interactive. Looks like some fairly deep cuts, which should be good. And then we have a Kesso 2000. I don't know if you guys can see that in multi-lock. And then this is the Kesso 2000. It's got a couple pins there on the bottom. So 2 rows, looks like staggered on top. Let's pull out those locks. The first one is the Kesso. I think I'm pronouncing that correctly. I could be wrong. Euro style, both sides. One side works a little better than the other. It's probably just dirty. But this is brown, as indicated by the sticker right here. So a brown belt lock, which I will be working on once I finish my purple. And then multi-lock. It's a nice silver one. In Euro, it's a half cut. That's fine. This is for lock sport. This is also brown, so it's probably got some, at least it's serrated in here. Spin right there. All right. So we got those brown belt locks, which we'll be working on here down the line. But in the vise right now, I wanted to pick, because last video I tried to pick his first challenge lock he sent me, and I wasn't able to pick it on video, and so I opened it up and turned to find out pin number 2, or chamber number 2, it got lodged in, so I'm going to send it back to him. He's going to fix it, and then hopefully he's going to send it back out, either to me or somebody else, so it can be once out in the world again. But I've got his other lock here, which is this one, Brassy, I think that's what it's called. This looks like this is a different schleg. It's got an actual little indent on the side grooves. Let's see if we can get anything here. I'm gonna go with the monkey paw. About like 3, 4. Come back to the front. 1, 2, back to the front. Nothing on 1. 2. Little click on 3. Little click on 4. Click on 1. Big click on 4. Okay. Now we're set something. Start back to the front. 2, 3. Number 5, I gotta click on it. Like that click. 3, 4. Okay, I'm gonna try the other direction. Turning. Ooh, 1's a bit stiff this time. Let's see what we got. I'm gonna click at 1. Small click at 2. Okay. About 3. I'm guessing this is a 6. This string strap's only fitting over a certain portion. But it wasn't bad. Let's see. Alright, I think I figured it out now. It's light tension, counterclockwise. And there's 6 pins, but the last pin feels it's a very deep cut. It's like you put like a 300 on 29. Oh, felt a little wiggle. There was a couple there. This keyway is a little bit tighter than the normal slig. You're asking myself, well, maybe it's not a slag core in this mortise. Oh no, it's slag. It's key. If the key matches and the core matches and the whole thing matches, but this is a more restricted key. Wait a second. Oh my. It looks like I'm seeing side grooves for like some finger pins. Okay, no, that's just the grooves set into the silicone on here from the key from it shifting around. Never mind. That would be wicked though if I didn't notice that there was side pins. That'd be a major oversight on my part. Alright. About 3 pins. 8 minutes. Alright, I'm gonna give it another couple minutes. Let's go back to the counter rotation, or clockwise rotation. Looks like counterclockwise is the way to go. feel like I'm close. I feel like I'm maybe like one pin off. We're almost at 10 minutes. Pretty windy outside today. I'm hearing a lot of stuff blowing around, but I also think that's the yard guys putting out mulch. Let's try this. Gotta switch hands. Sometimes my left hand is a little bit cognizant of where the right amount of pressure, because it's not the dominant hand, you know? Reese, settle. No. Alright guys, we're going to stop it there at 11 minutes. But I gotta say, these two challenge locks I've gotten from Incredimike have been a pain. Much more than I've been expecting. So I'm going to pick them off camera a little more. But thank you, PeaceWeapon, for my beautiful brown belt locks over here. Incredimike, thank you for my two. Some slag Everest over here, and this other multi-lock brown belt lock with serrated pins. Thanks guys, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like always, stay legal and keep picking.